Hello student, I welcome you all in the online class of Social Studies once again. Today we will continue the same chapter 11 Northern Mountains. In the previous video we had studied about the state Meghalaya and Manipur. Today we will know about one more state, that is Mizoram. Okay, in short, this is the main feature of the state Mizoram. First we will see the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Total area of the state Mizoram 21,000 square kilometer. Okay. Total number of districts 8. Okay. Population 1.1 million. Main languages spoken in Mizoram English and Mizo. Okay. First we will see the location of the state Mizoram in the map of India. Students, see, this is the map of the state Mizoram. Students, now see the state Mizoram in the map of India. See, this is the state Mizoram. Capital is Aizawl. Okay. Mizoram shares its borders with the state of Manipur and Tripura. See, this is Tripura. And the country Myanmar. Okay. Now we will see Mizoram state in detail. Okay. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl, as I told you. The state spreads over an area of around 21,000 square kilometer. It is the total area of the state Mizoram. Okay. There are 8 districts in the state Mizoram, and the population of the state is around 1.1 million. Okay. It shares its borders with the states of Tripura, Assam and Manipur. The languages spoken here are English and Mizo. English and Mizo are 2 important languages spoken in the state of Mizoram. Farmers in the state of Mizoram grow sweet potato, rice, etc. Rivers like the Barak, the Serlui, etc. means Barak and Serlui are the important rivers of the state Mizoram. Farmers practice shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation means they will do cultivation after clearing the forest at one place, and then they will grow crops there several years, and after that they will leave the place and again clear the forest to the next place, and they will do cultivation there for next few years. Like this they will clear the forest. Shifting cultivation is not good because due to shifting cultivation a lot of forests are going to be cleared. So shifting cultivation should be avoided. Okay. Some important cities of the state Mizoram except capital city Aizawl are Langlei, Kolashir, Champhai, etc. Okay. Now we will know some important facts about the capital Aizawl. Okay. It is the largest city of the state with a population of around 3 lakh. Okay. Means only in the city of Aizawl 3 lakh population, and is the largest city of the state Mizoram. It has Mizoram State Museum. Okay, in the capital city we find the place Mizoram State Museum where tourists can visit. Solomon's Temple, Lalat Park, etc. are the famous places where tourists can visit. about the state Nagaland. Okay. Main features of the state Nagaland are: capital of the Nagaland state is Kohima. Total area 16,500 square kilometer is the total area of the state Nagaland. Number of districts 11. Population 2.3 million. Okay. Main languages spoken in the state of Nagaland are Sema and Lotha. Okay. Now we will see the location of the state Nagaland in the map of India. Students, see, this is the map of the state Nagaland. Okay. Now we will see it in the map of India. Students, now see the state of Nagaland in the map of India. See, this is the state Nagaland with the capital Kohima. It shares its borders with the state of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Assam. Okay. Now we will know about the state Nagaland in detail. Nagaland is a mountainous state, means we find most of the area mountainous, not plain. The state spreads over an area of around 16,500 square kilometer. It has 11 districts. Its population is around 2.3 million. It shares its borders with the states of Manipur, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, which I have shown you in the map of India. The languages spoken here are Ao, Sema, Lotha, etc. The state is known for growing rice, maize, orange, etc. Means the farmers of the state Nagaland sell rice, maize, orange, etc. The main rivers of the state are Tiju and Dhanchiri, the Dikhu, etc. These are the main rivers of the state. Flow in the state. Which rivers? Tiju, Dhanchiri and Dikhu. Some cities of the state are Dimapur, Mokokchung, Vokha, etc. These are some famous cities of the state Nagaland. Now we will know about the capital state, that is Kohima. It is hill city. It is a hilly city. It is the second largest city of the state. It has Nagaland State Museum, Kohima War Cemetery. War Cemetery means the place where the soldiers buried after their death in a war. Kisama Heritage Village, etc. Kisama Heritage Village, etc. These are the famous places in the state of Nagaland. The state Nagaland lies in the far northeastern part of India. Largest city is Dimapur. The highest peak in Nagaland is Mount Saramati. It is mountainous state with a number of tribes. Main tribes of the state Nagaland, Nagas, being the most important of them. Means there are so many tribes, but Nagas are the most important tribe. Okay. Agriculture is the most important activity here. Means most of the people having the occupation agriculture. The farmers grow potatoes, sugarcane, oil seeds, tobacco, pulses, millets, corn and rice. These are the main crops which the farmers of the Nagaland state or tribal people grow. The Nagas weave beautiful shawls with unique designs and bright colors. Means the shawls of the Nagaland state woven by tribes are quite famous. A grand Hornbill festival is held every year during the month of December. It showcases the culture of Nagaland. Every tribe has its own language. Means how many tribes are there? They are having their separate language. The most commonly spoken language is Nagamese. Places of tourist interest are Wawade Waterfall and Kisama Heritage Village. Anishi and Axon are popular dishes of the state. Okay, students, so this is information about the state Nagaland. Okay, so students, today we have learned about the state Mizoram and Nagaland. Okay, revise the topics and listen the video carefully. Thank you and God bless you all.